Welcome to my channel. How to set up Arlo Pro 5S 2K outdoor camera. Best features. Setup tips. Step 1. Unbox the camera. Open the box and check all accessories like the camera, battery, charging cable, mount, screws, and quick start guide. Step 2. Charge the battery first. Fully charge the rechargeable battery before installation for better setup performance and longer battery life. Step 3. Download the Arlo app. Install the official Arlo Secure app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Step 4. Create or log into your Arlo account. Open the app and sign in. If you are new, create a free Arlo account in a few minutes. Step 5. Insert the battery into the camera. Open the camera housing and place the charged battery inside properly until it clicks into place. Step 6. Connect camera to Wi-Fi. In the app, tap Add Device and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your camera to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Step 7. Scan the QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code shown in the Arlo app with the camera lens. Wait for the setup confirmation sound. Step 8. Install the camera outdoors. Choose a high location with a strong Wi-Fi signal and mount the camera using the included screws or magnetic mount. Step 9. Adjust camera angle motion settings. Position the camera for the best 160 degrees viewing angle and customize motion alerts, activity zones, spotlight, and night vision settings. Step 10. Test live view notifications. Walk in front of the camera and test live streaming, motion detection, two-way audio, and mobile notifications to ensure everything works perfectly. Thank you for watching.